Hello everyone, dit is Soft Image 2010. What we're trying to do is to model a pocket knife, and we make some progress. Here we have something that I show you here. I make it a little smaller. Yeah, this is our pocket knife, you see, and dit what we made last time, that's this, and we had the same problem as we had with one of the other things, that we have to give it volume. It didn't have that, right? And now it has that volume, and it's about the same height as the disc here, so that's nice. So, but I did it when it was not recorded, so let's go back and start all over with regard to this one. Open, and then the last one we had, I think, was this one. So no, and then you see this one, right? And then we're going to work on this, and we're going to do that with a cube. That's something that seems to fit. So we go to primitive, polygon, mass, and cube, and then we go to the X key, the keyboard, and make a cube here, a little cube, and go to the V key, excuse me, and go here, and go to the X again, make it a little smaller, and then pull it out, and then go to the V again, put a little bit this way, the X again. That's pretty good, I think. So now the problem is that we have to fill up this, right? And we do that by we're going to the enter key, and we got this back, and then we go to the subdivisions, the base, and click here and put in 4. Okay, so we have 4 subdivisions here, and let's bring it a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Okay, now I hit the T key, the tag, the T from tag, and I accentuate that, and on the V, and put it out here. And then I had big problems getting away with the red one. Look, when it's coming back. So I click with the right mouse button, and then it disappears. And then I go here, and then I do the same thing here. Go here, and then I go to tag again, left mouse button, I go here, the V key. So, and I fill it up all the way, and I do it here too. So now that we did that, I don't know where this is coming from. It looks like a knife here. I don't know. But we did this, you see. So we go here, and then I turn it around a little, and I put an X key on it. That doesn't work. Now it works, and then we flatten it a little, and then turn it around to see if it's okay. I think it's pretty good. But now look what happened. I go to the plus key. You know, this is the pancake, and we don't need that. We don't want that. So what we do now is go here and bring it up, and then try to get it a little closer. And what we want to do is we go to polymesh and knife tool, and that's what we do. I go here and click here. Okay, now make a right mouse click to get rid of the knife, and then we turn it around. And what we do then is we go to polymesh and split edge tool, and we click on one of those with the middle mouse button, and it didn't work. So we do it again, polymesh, split edge tool, edit, undo, split edge tool, and then now it's going to work. You see? And we do the same thing here. The middle mouse button, guys and gals, the middle mouse button. So right mouse click now, and watching the clock, we're going to turn it around, and now look, we'll go to the plus key, and look at this, isn't that beautiful? Isn't, now here, that's not so beautiful here, that's not so beautiful. I wonder, did something wrong? But here on the top is pretty good. So we have to look at this later on. But it's not a pancake anymore. So we're going to stop now. It's 7 minutes. Or I can go back and try to fix it, but I think I better do it later when no one is online or whatever, right? And then I can explain it, what happened, if it's indeed something wrong. And I think it is, actually. Okay, that was it.